What's up guys, hope you're all having a great day. So as you can see, I'm in my twin turbo 350Z. We're currently leaving the gym. I thought it would be a good video to make on exactly how much it costs to fill up this car. Now this kind of goes for any 350Z owner. Pretty much all of them run on high octane fuel just because it's a high compression engine. And so today we're going to take it to the gas station and see how much it exactly costs to fill this thing up. So let's get on our way. Alright guys, so we just got to Wawa, which is probably one of my favorite gas stations. You know, Wawa, Sheetz are kind of the same thing. I don't know which one I like better, but the point of this video is to fill up the car, so let's go ahead and get this done.
For CDC guidelines, such as maintaining a 6-foot distance from fellow customers and associates, and keeping all interactions free.
So my guess is that this is going to be probably around $30. I'm not really sure. The tank is just about at a quarter left, so... So just cut off at about 9.9 gallons. I'm just going to wait 30 seconds because these tanks typically have a lot of air pressure in them, and we'll see if it goes any higher. Now notice how it isn't all the way up. That's exactly what I'm talking about with how you pretty much can't get a full tank. Let's just put it in first gear. Alright guys, so the results are in. As you can see, I actually don't have my bumper on right now. You watch this, I don't know if it's going to be the video before this or after this, I haven't really decided yet. I'm going to do some cutting with that bumper in order for it to work because obviously I have quite a bit going on down here that takes up a lot of space, where the typical grill part of the bumper actually is on these 350Zs. So I'm going to do a bunch of trimming for that to work, and I'm also going to have to wire in the LED daytime running lights that are actually in the bumper as well. So basically, how much does it cost to fill up and run this twin turbo 350Z? Now I'm going to do another test with mileage after this. So basically, the tank was about a quarter level down, and it took 10 gallons, and since the price of Premium 93 was $2.59, the total ended up being $26, which if you ask me, that's not really bad for a high horsepower car like this 350Z itself. I mean, of course, it is twin turboed, so whenever you are in the turbos using them, your mileage is going to be a lot worse because the oversized injectors are actually throwing and dumping a lot of fuel. But if you don't have twin turbos, your mileage it may be a little bit better, but highway wise, I can tell you this thing gets about 29, if not 30 to 32 miles per gallon highway, which that actually amazes me just because there's so much done to this car. But then again, it's not the heaviest car in the world, and it's also just a V6. It's a 3.5 liter V6, so there is all that. So hopefully this video is helpful if you're looking at getting a 350Z yourself, or you're looking at seeing what it's like getting a twin turbo 350Z. Either building it yourself, buying one already done, which I bought mine already done because I wasn't going to put $15,000 of work into this car because it's just not worth that. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful. As you can see, gas is not too expensive to put into these cars. I had a Duramax, actually had two Duramaxes, and both of those were so expensive to run. I'm talking $50 to $60 a week just because it's diesel, and I was doing a lot of city mileage and big trucks, a lot of stop and going. I mean, I love those trucks, but this car completely outperforms those when it comes to mileage. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos just like this about my cars or what is coming soon, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Ridland Productions for more of my personal work, or Dirty Max 302 if you want to see more content just automotive related. So with that being said, thank you, take care, and have a nice day. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.